make a shell. So right now this is a solid thing. If you turn on cross-sectioning, you can see that this is absolutely solid. So what we could do now is that we could accept this, by the way. And if we accept this, you also have the opportunity to save. So you could actually save this cross-section. So if you choose save, we could say section view side. And then we could easily come back to this section view by clicking spacebar, because now we have this section view here. So if we have section view and we would like to make this thin, we could go for shell. So if I go for the shell command, we need to choose a face to remove. And we don't need to do that, but it asks for that if there is a surface that we would like to get rid of. And of course, in this case, we would like to get rid of this. So we have an opening into the Tea Kettle. The thickness here is too big. So let's say this is not 10 millimeter, but maybe 2 millimeter. And then we go and say, that surface, please take it away. And now it got that face there. So if we accept this now, it says that the operation failed to complete. There is some faces here that it couldn't know what really to do. And it's usually because you have a sharp edge here or quick turns. It doesn't really know what to do. So in this case, we could see that it's probably due to this sharp edge down here. So let's cancel this and add a little fillet here. And maybe you would like to add fillets on other places as well. So we could take the opportunity to do that. So I cancel. And now we could also go out from the section view here and just go for a fillet and say, please fillet down here. And that's okay, maybe. We could go for this as well. And we could accept those. And maybe we would like to have a little bit smaller fillet here. So I go for fillet and say maybe 5 millimeter, or maybe even just 3 millimeter. And also on that edge there. Okay. And look at how easy it is to make fillets. It's marvelous. And if you don't like the sharp edges here, you could flip to shaded view without the sharp lines. Okay, looks beautiful. So let's see if we could do a shell out of this now. So the section view was nice. So I saved the section view, so we could just space bar and ask for it again and go for shell. So let's see where we had the shell command. Yeah, there. And 2 millimeter. I still would like to get rid of that surface, and I right click and say OK. And this time it did it. Great, look at that. And even it even went up to the knob here. So maybe that is not what you would like to have. You would like to have a solid knob here. Then you need to take away the knob first, so it's a different body. So, but in this case, we will accept this. It will be a lightweight tea kettle. Okay, great.